Wag.
People are asking, no
pwede
kasano,
rin sila Union, Taguig, Pampang, ay, MUPN.
no kasano da nga maka Diyan mo na istorya kanyayo dito yan, but people are asking DJ comment section, DJ TikTok ko. Nga, sir, how did you make your yogurt thicker kada kakumpunada? And then, sino nga tadagit yung natatao ko na? Sino tadagit yung comment? And when I click their profile, makitut ka, they're also in the business of selling yogurt.
Because you cannot really, you cannot really be proud of your product if you won't believe in your product.
Tapos, hindi kinita, kano da nga nag-start nyo naglako?
Bayagin.
March. March.
Recent lang din.
Recent lang din. So, meaning, they got inspired. Kada yung siguro, feeling ko, again, delusional na siguro. You can call me delusional ngem. I started doing the business in February. March, dun titatao nga. Kwanta ba sa dapi mga ibagbaga nga, sir, dito sa abroad, nagbebenta na din ako ng yogurt. Kung kunada, meten, dati pang sarili ko lang, pero ngayon nagbebenta na din ako kung kunada. So nga, okay.
You influence others also, to which I remember during the time of KDK, we've talked about this one. In Salcedo Street, we were the one to launch the biggest and smallest burgers and the colored burgers. And right after we launched those things, lahat ng restaurants in Vigan nag-launch na din. And sometimes there is a silent influence. People won't admit it, but they are also influenced by how we do things. It may be good for them also. Alam mo, the greatest form of flattery is imitation.
Yeah.
And I think that's why you also inspired others to do the same. So since those comments are coming from the people who replicated what you did, ibig sabihin, you are inspiring them. So keep being an inspiration candidate number one.
Pak. When actually, nagaduti makikita ko naglala ko dati ti yogurt meten di lugar dan kasi so nga, that's really nice. Actually, hanggang nasa kinakim ko. Nasa kinakim ko lang dito kay ulo ko sa naglako charing joke lang. Again, there's enough success to go around. So nga nga mabuting nga.
Are you afraid of competition right now? Kasi since awang pinamet ti kalaban mo ti District 1.
Right now, Nodaman tigbaling nga kalaban ko dito tingagla ko ti yogurt, it's gonna be John. Tagamin kay isuna ti makamo deje trade
Technique
secrets
mo.
ko, deje techniques ko hitting
Techniques mo talaga?
technique mo. Actually isuna ti naka-discover ka deje heating technique and fermentation time. No apay nga deje yogurt mitatakit ka sa Greek style. So nga if anything niya mabalin nga kasi chobani ti level na deje yogurt mitatan. So if anything, no dati ti talaga pag thank you Akmet, it's because of John and his R&D prowess. Kaya nag-efficient so na grabe, nagadudag yung time CD nga agree nga parbangon niya tapos kay nabanuga kun packaging na kadaglalok siya nabanuga kun po yata kasjay. Ngem idi nag-live suna kuna nakita man ipakita man kanya di process mo kunana. Inpakita kanya na kunana. Ni, mabalin mo eliminate deta nga stepen. Ikatinta detan. Ni,
As an operations officer.
as an operations officers, kinita na yung process ko, ipakita man kanya, no, kasano ka
Efficiency.
nga agaramid ti yogurt ko na, ipakita ka. Ne, mabalintang skip deto, diretso ka ti kastuyan. Api, necessary ya deta. So, he's eliminated things. Tatanan na masapulag puyatan ken. Hanak nga gririing ti parbangon yan just to transfer the yogurt from one bowl to the next container kadaglalaok.
That's the importance of trusting another person also. Nyo.
Isong nga idi impakita na kanya DJ yan. Ay, kunakon. You have to be part of the company. Baling ka ng CEO kunakon. Chief Operations Officer ko na. Isong nga DJ, isong na ti employee number 0001 ko. So nga daman ti competition ko tatta ni Jan DJ. Dadayo na apo Diyos nga mapanunot na nga kompetensya ayon DJ.
Well, I don't think kasi you're under an umbrella, diba?
Ngem
Partnership.
when it's partnership. Ngem going
Nagaroon ka niya ng siya siguro DJ industrial partner, yung si ka DJ capitalist partner.
capitalist partner.
Diba?
Yeah.
That's also another business jargon.
Ngem going back to the question nga, are you afraid of competition right now? Kanyak tatahaan. I have to be honest.
I were to answer you for your side. I think you win.
Ay, siya mabuting nalaman eh.
Na.
Ni Kwa.
Ben.
Ben. Medyo threatened no.
From my
Amoy bag-
kineso. From my kineso nga ron.
Ay,
Medyo.
medyo.
Today, Jai.
Feeling ko lang, naganan na ibaga-baga lang handa nga afraid niya. Aman afraid na met. Kasi
Because I saw also how she rides trends. Always on the trend.
Yeah,
So parang DJ Meti, but again, back to basic, will the customer repeat to buy?
Dito dyan
But,
i-expose no.
well, andan to magets data, nalaing da unay no magets da. 'Di ba? So they the point DJ, it magkakatalo pa rin yung sa quality eh. Kasi even if ibebenta yun ng mas mura, okay ba? 'Di ba?
Siguro ti fear ko tatake kwa the mere fact nga I'm a two-man team na dududwata tapos ke we both have full-time jobs. Tapos ke DJ capital nga papaikutin ta kami nga kasi kadakkel. Ti fear ko siguro
wow,
ke
kasi kadakkel.
ti fear ko siguro ke no if a big player comes in tapos ke adati team na tapos ke adati experience na pay tapos biglang overwhelming nan nga ay this is the best the better brand kada dakkel ti kwami mas kaya met ti
Well,
logistics no?
babalik ako dyan sa social media presence. Kasi si Sweet Tones, may mga malaking players sa Manila, ha? Nandiyan si Daily Bakes, nandiyan yung mga But First Coffee na player ng Dubai Chewy Cookies. But then, she thrived in the market using social media
because of
presence.
social media.
So, I guess that's already an advantage on your end. And quality itself. Tapos homemade DG pistachios nuts and all. So, the transparency that she gives to her customer, that's also an advantage because she markets herself with the transparent procedure of the product. And I guess you're doing the same thing. Not exactly showing how you do things, but you're transparent with your product. And transparency means being honest to your customers.
Yeah.
Sometimes kasi not all products are honest to their claims. Kaya maganda rin yun na advantage mo. I think kahit na may pumunta dito na let's say localized Nestle team, medyo mahihirapan rin sila to make tawag nito sulot of your customers. Kasi the fact that you are honest enough, the fact that you are there in social media, the fact that they see you, I guess that's already an advantage. And balik tayo doon sa two-man team na fear mo na may mas malaki. Imagine during the time that I started Kusina de Kenyo, it may not be a success story at the end, but still it was a success story during its time. I started doing pastillas alone. I started doing my product alone.
Pastillas na naimas.
Yeah. No. CPA review.
Yun.
And I'm very proud to say na if you do your things by your own, you will learn on how to thrive on business because it's the best way to learn by your own experience. And that comes with the lesson also that we will share to the starting business owners. Don't be afraid to start.
Ayun, di ba?
Yeah, natry ko, di ba, minix ko pa iti berries. Perfect.
But I think that DJ ka beginning stages na pa lang DJ.
DJ nga
Hamo
level.
pa na try DJ.
DJ latest. I'll
latest.
buy some. I'll share some facts about what Tony Villera told us.
Sino ti Tony Villera?
Sales speaker, sales trainer during my time in the bank. Nga, imbaga na, even if there are competition, even if there are products better than your product, you should always believe that your product is the best. Because you cannot really, you cannot really be proud of your product if you won't believe in your product. Imagine, there are a lot of banks, there are a lot of competing brands out there, food chains and all, but they thrive with their product because they believe in their product. There's a flagship product of each, di ba? Even in the deposit, even in the burgers, di ba? May iba-ibang flagship dyan na products. But they thrive in the market because they believe in their product. And it shows to the people kasi if you believe in your product or not. If you're confident about your product or not.
Yeah. Actually, kanya confident namin. Kasi lalo dadagi siya magibagbaga nga, Sir Mum, nakarariyek nga may baga alata. Kasi kuma once every 3 days na lang nga agpoop. Kasi nga tatan ke. Daily agpupup na kung regular rin kung kunada. So, kada bagbagada pa yung dati sir han nga breakfast person ngim tatan kay gabata dati na kasi kay kanay nang agdardaras ngim gabata dati yogurt nga kastuyan kay breakfast na you worken kay kalata ti kastuyanan kasi kasto yada kung kunada so nga slowly changing the world one got at a time. So gumatang kayo. Ngim actually I have to be honest. The reason why I started the business is because we're planning to go somewhere. Ag-free dive kami, kaya't ko nga ag-raise lang ti funds for travel.
Okay.
Iso nga agla ko naman ti yogurt kaya di for travel
For
funds.
extra funds lang.
Man, hindi ko na-realize ko nga, namayamet because I'm also helping the community met to afford yogurt nga which is nakangingi na met no mapangga di groceries. So nga ako okay, I'm helping the community and it's also helping me back kasi. So nga, digit is short story na DJ.
Do you think there will come a time that your market will be saturated?
Ah,
At the
bigla
ganun
ko?
stages of business introduction, growth, saturation, and decline.
Feeling ko, in the Ilocano perspective, kasi ako right now, kithan pa lang kami nga staple ingredient ti yogurt. Isong it's gonna take years before it gets saturated. Kasi kasatatan niya, right now niya, ti target market ko are people who are chasing a healthier lifestyle. Dagiti taong kaya da talaga ti agpaka-healthy, kasi kaya da ti lose weight. Dagiti dadang target market ko, but for people nga sedentary, kadahan may nga mahilig ti healthy habits kasi hangko piso da ma-penetrate. Hangko piso da ma-penetrate. So DJ kita yeah, DJ feeling ko ti kurang ko kasi more on right now kay agta-thrive na ti ka sa entertainment lang kasi makayayatanda ka nun ibagbaga nga tagalstem may ayatanda ka nun ka DJ nga expression ko so nga may nintriga da kasi
What Ilocano value can you share to people who are thinking to start up their business?
ala abi kasi nag-intense na gito question yo
Kasi it should be. Hello, we're talking about business, we're talking about money.
nya nga Ilocano value
Oo.
ti dapat nga i-possess the person who wants to start a business.
Mm.
I mean, feeling ko niya, DJ Mesa nga value, nga Ilocano value lang talaga is naibtur ka dapat. Naibtur ka ti puyat, naibtur ka ti bannog, naibtur ka ti tured kasi there will be times nga you will be challenged. Agasem, it is starting na pailaing with the business kay umado ti orders and masapol ko tig puyat, agring ti parbangon, kada mabannog na may agbagkat, kada glalok, dagita deliver agasem without my employee number 0001 may mesak amin. So nga dapat ag-give tour ka. Kasi kano, kas na kung bebe girl ka, when no, pa-bebe boy ka nga, I'm tired. No, kasi ti peg mo. Talagang kang thrive. So nga dapat, if you wanna start your business, na tour ka dapat. Digiti feeling ko na, gusto?
To which I agree, ha? Kasi during the time, my early 20s led me to that also. Naibtor na nga mapan makichan-chan na, nakalang lang SOG ko check. Kasi
Yeah,
mapanag ko ti restaurant and all. But more than that, I guess you should also have the bravery of Ilocanos. Kasi I know Ilocanos are very brave. Imagine mo, si datay pa nga naluto, di ba? Kilawen ka daglalaok. So we should endure the same bravery in doing business. Business is not all about rainbows and butterflies.
It's compromise. It moves as along. Han, kan feeling ko pa ikay feeling ko pa no, kaya matig business. Awan dapat tibain-bain keng ka.
Correct.
Like, tingarod ka na yung tikanayin ko nga mentality ke. Strangers are people who are not knowledgeable of your products, but they are potential customers. I'll give you an example. In that time, adati may nag-pick up nga titinapay nga lako ni Benedict, Sardo.
A piece of holly.
A piece of holly. Idi, sir, pick up man DJ tinapay. Kuna na nga kasama ko na. Kuna ke. Ay ma'am, nagimas na ti sourdough. It pairs well with lazy yogurt. Kuna. Sir, ada ti extra? Ada. Kuna. So, nalako, DJ ti 5 piraso nga yogurt. DJ imagine, DJ may nag-pick up. So, DJ. So, feeling ko dapat hanggang bain-bain. Kasi kanyak imagine mo ken, agbagbag kata ti cooler. Mapan J workplace. Actually, napindas meta ti kwa ti adati business na DJ lang makabandog. So nga, nadaduma, there are times nga mauma kami nga so nga nga tatanke basta dalaki diti time magay na namit kasi kan basta na bandog.
Which leads us to this another lesson. When you do your business, don't forget about yourself. Kasi not all the time you should be doing things to earn money. Why do you earn money? Would you like to earn more money? For you to enjoy life.